Hello everyone and welcome back to SoCaliRific. Today we are back here at Universal Studios Hollywood. I did take last week off. I haven't been here in like 2 weeks, so I'm excited to be back. There's new merch, new food, and of course I want to take a look at all the new Halloween Horror Night updates. So come along and let's go. Alright, so let's head into the Universal Studios store to see what's new, to see what I've missed in these last 2 weeks. So one of the newer items that have arrived is this special edition Mario figurine, which is super cool because it's a Super Nintendo World. You got the grand opening date 2023, and this is currently selling for $33. So Universal is celebrating the 30th anniversary of the release of Jurassic Park, and I'm sure a lot of you have seen this merch already, but I have yet to see it in person. So I'm just gonna give you a little quick overview of what they have. And this collection is pretty awesome. Like, look at this jean jacket, that's so cool. And let's of course take a look at the back. Right there it says Jurassic Park 30th anniversary. I like they have like that fallen banner, and they have the Spirit jersey, which is pretty awesome as well. I always like this acid wash type t-shirt, that's cool. Here's an overview of this wall and all the merch you could find. I want to take a closer look at this Loungefly bag because this is super awesome. Look, it says Jurassic Park. Here's a detail on the back. I like that they have all the dinosaurs, and right here the Loungefly logo as well as the Jurassic Park one. This one's super cool. As you know, they have released these plushes before, but we also got Dr. Malcolm, and I just think it's so funny. They have like a whole little line of him. Look at him. He even has like his drawn on abs. This is so funny. It's super cute. I love this style of plush. I love that they're making more of these as well. You could also get a mug version of him and his abs. That's so funny. $15. So today is Thursday, and it looks like the Secret Life of Pets line is right outside, so summer crowds are already here. It's only gonna get worse from here on out, so make sure to come early to get on those attractions with the lowest wait times. So I wanted to come over here to the lookout just to see the demolition that is going on behind Animal Actors. Oh my goodness, they are moving along. Kind of bittersweet because of course I loved Animal Actors, so let's take a little moment for that. But also, of course, we're excited for a new attraction to come to Universal Studios Hollywood, and that is super exciting as well. This is a spot where I used to do the Super Nintendo World updates. I haven't been here in a little bit now that it's complete, but I could already tell that Super Nintendo World is packed. I do need to see if you need a reservation because the park feels more crowded than usual for a weekday. Okay, so I just took a look at the house near the Parisian Courtyard, and that hasn't looked so different since the last time I came. And I did a little walk around. Again, it looked the same. But what was cool, I did see Gru and 2 minions taking photos. So that's a really cool photo op because usually I see one minion and Gru or just a minion. So it was cool seeing like all 3 of them out. Probably because summer's here, there's more crowds, so maybe more characters will be brought out. I wanted to see what the wait times were today, but it's currently not working. Also, Production Central is closed, and I'm looking through the windows and all the merch has been removed. So I'm interested to see what this is gonna look like in due time. Oh, looks like some sort of leak has occurred over here. Alright, looks like the Fast and the Furious posters have been swapped out for this new movie, Teenage Kraken. I haven't seen this or seen a trailer, but I wonder if we'll get some characters from it because I always love new characters here at Universal. So here's the current progress of this house. And look at this facade. This looks super interesting. I wonder what it's gonna end up looking like. That's just a little different. We got the back over here. And of course, we'll be going on the studio tour later just to take a look at that house as well, because they have made a little update which might give us a clue to what the house is going to be. But again, these are just rumors and clues, so we shall see. So as I mentioned last time I came, Jurassic Cafe has like a brand new menu, and of course we wanted to try some of the stuff. So I am here with Jenny. She's helping me because we got a ton of food. So I'm gonna show you what we got and let you know if it's worth it and if it was good. So for our appetizer, we got the Brazilian cheesy bread, and Jenny got like a passion fruit, dragon fruit lemonade with mango bobas. Okay, so here's the cheesy bread. I gotta admit, it wasn't my favorite, but personally, I don't know, I just thought it was like a little oily and like inside was a little raw. So we also tried the skewers, the beef and vegetable one. Okay, so the skewer, it was like a good cut of meat. The seasoning and the veggies, they had like a good flavor, but it's not like as fresh at Disneyland. You can tell it might have been sitting there for a little bit. So it's good, but not as good as Bengal barbecue, that's for sure. We got the chicken empanada. So this is what the inside of the empanada looks like. Kind of looks like a pot pie, look. But we're gonna see if it's good. It reminds me of like a pot pie, like those Marie Calendar ones that you warm up in the microwave or oven. So if you're a fan of those Marie Callender's pot pies, you'll like this empanada, but that's what it tastes like to me. I would give it like a 3 out of 5. And for dessert, we got the coconut flan. Even though this looks a little sad, if I'm being honest, but hopefully it tastes good. All right, so here's my half of the flan. So this tasted better than it looked. It doesn't taste like coconut though, even though it says that. So if you want some flan at the theme park, I would recommend it. It's a good dessert. Here's a current look at the wait times today. Not too bad, but just busier than usual. Like usually the studio tour is around 20 minutes on a weekday, and right now it's 45. And it looks like that little flooding issue has been resolved. Look at it, dried up pretty quickly. You wouldn't even have known. Probably went down that drain. So now that I could stand closer, here's like that sound barrier. And they've been playing roller coaster sounds. I've seen that on Five Fire's YouTube. So that's super cool. I've yet to hear it since I've been here. Everyone always shows it online, but I haven't heard those sounds in person yet. All right, so let's head on to the studio tour to get some Halloween Horror Night updates.
Some of the thousands of films we've made since we opened our gates back on March 15th.
All right, so we just got off of the studio tour, and of course we had to look at the first house for Halloween Horror Nights, and there was rumors that it was gonna be Holidays in Hell, and by the current progress of that facade, I think that's definitely gonna be correct, because now they have like the little circle for the clock. If you've seen that facade before, that house was really fun. I always enjoy all like the houses in the Parisian courtyard so far, but it's gonna be in a different location. But like I said, it was just like a really fun maze. It was cool, so I'm excited to see what they're gonna do with it this year, if that's what's coming. But the facade really looks super similar. So the last two houses near Curious George, I didn't really get them well with my camera, but I couldn't see like much. I know the first house with brick, they are doing some more work on the facade, but because of the gate, you can't really see like through the camera. But of course, I'll be back next week and we'll see what changes occur. Right now we're gonna head to City Walk because there were like a few updates that I wanted to show you over there. So let's head on over. All right, it looks like they're gonna have some sort of salute to summer. It says like in collaboration with the Army, but it looks like they have like a little Ninja Warrior set area over here. So that's kind of interesting. The Universal Studio has a new wrap. It's celebrating Jurassic Park's 30th anniversary. So that looks super cool. I always like when they decorate the outside of the store. Okay, so I wanted to stop here at City Walk because the other days they had some Transformer vehicles. Right now they just have this, but here in City Walk it looks like they're gonna have some sort of performance. As you can see, it says Salute to Summer performance tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. So I am so curious to see who's gonna be performing here, but I will be looking online tomorrow just to see like who ended up performing here. All right, everyone, so those were the updates here at Universal Studios Hollywood for this week. I do plan to go to Knott's Berry Farm soon so we can see Summer Nights, Fiesta Village, and make a video on that. But for now, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, because we're gonna have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys!